Welcome to the Green Smoke demo video. This project aims to provide a web-based solution for managing community sports facilities, allowing users to book slots, report maintenance issues, and receive relevant notifications. Let's dive into our website's many features. I will now log in as a system administrator. Signing in and signing up is handled using a third-party identity provider, in our case Google Auth. I select my account and I'm redirected to the admin page. Toriro will now show you how to create an account as a resident.
So now I will register a new account. You can register as either a staff member or a resident. I will be registering as a resident. As you can see, my account is now pending approval from the administrator, which will then give me full access to all the features.
When I click the Residents tab, I will now see the request that Toriro made. Here it is. I'm going to approve her request. We can now see her account at the bottom of the residents list. She will now have full access to the website's features. As a system administrator, I can also deny requests. When I click deny, there is an alert message to ask if I'm sure that I want to deny this request, as this action cannot be undone. Request denied and record deleted successfully.
Now that I've been approved, if I refresh my page, you can see that the pending approval message is gone.
As a resident, if you find an issue with any of the facilities, you can submit a maintenance report through the maintenance tab. I will now submit a maintenance report for Soccer Field 2. Then there's a pop-up that says the issue has been reported successfully.
As an admin, I can see all of the reported maintenance issues in the Maintenance tab. Here we see the report that Karabo submitted. I can now assign it to our staff members. I will assign it to Toriro. We see that it has been assigned successfully to Toriro. When I refresh the page, the maintenance issue is now under Assigned Reports and its status is assigned.
Now, as a staff member, from my dashboard, I can go into the Maintenance tab and check all the issues that have been assigned to me. I can then change the status accordingly.
So now when I go to my notifications tab, I can see that Soccer Field 2 is now under maintenance. And as you can see here, the first notification states that please note Soccer Field 2 is currently under maintenance, and I can mark it as red to show that I've seen it. So I will now show you the booking functionality of our website. First, I will attempt to book Soccer Field 2, which is currently under maintenance. And as you can see, there's a pop-up that says facility is under maintenance, meaning that I cannot make a booking for that facility. And now for any of the other facilities that are not under maintenance, I can make a booking. And here it says booking has been successfully created. So now when I go under my bookings tab, I can see the booking that I just made for CricketNet 1, which is currently pending approval from the admin.
Now when I click the Bookings tab in the admin homepage, I will see Karabo's booking request, which I will now approve. The booking is now under the approved bookings.
Since Jaden has now approved my booking, if I go and refresh the page, I can now see that the status of my booking has been changed to approved.
I am now going to cancel Karabo's booking. I receive an alert message if I am sure that I want to deny this.
Since Jaden then went and cancelled my booking, if I go under my notifications tab, I am now alerted that my booking for Cricket Net 1 has been denied.
Another fantastic feature of our website is event creation. I will now create an event. See that the event has been successfully created. We can now see the event that I created.
Thanks, Jaden. So now if I go under the events tab, I can now see the event that he just created. And if I go back to my dashboard, under notifications, I can see that the first notification alerts me that the swimming pool will be unavailable due to the event.
The final and most impressive feature from our website are the admin dashboards, all of which are exportable as PDFs. The first dashboard is the usage trends dashboard, which shows the most popular facility, that is the facility with the most bookings, and the number of bookings for that facility. You can also see here this graph which shows the number of approved bookings for the last 7 days. I can also choose to see for the last 30 days. This dashboard is exportable as a PDF. We also have the custom view dashboard where we can see the usage trends filtered either by the last 7 days, the last 30 days, or a custom range. The second graph is the maintenance issues per facility with the same filters, the last 7 days and the last 30 days. We can also choose to highlight any particular facility. We can also see the recent maintenance issues for both the last 7 days and the last 30 days. This dashboard is also exportable as a PDF. The third report that admins have access to is the maintenance report, which we can see by clicking the maintenance tab. If we scroll past the assigned reports, we will see a staff performance table. If we scroll down, we can see the maintenance summary, which can be filtered either by the last 7 days or the last 30 days. The first graph we see is the issue status overview. The second graph we see is a bar chart showing the issues by facility.
This project was the work of Dylan, Jaden, Karabo, Carabello, and Tiriro. Thank you for watching. You can find all the relevant information on our GitHub repository, link in description.